There is now a way to automate the creation of migration waves based on criteria that's important to you. A powerful ETL engine will find assets that meet timeline, technical, and business requirements, and bundle those assets to ride the wave and migrate together whenever, wherever they need to go. This scheduling engine dramatically reduces work, helping teams to be more efficient. Scheduling and rescheduling workloads is quick and easy, and if you get hit with last-minute changes that affect identified assets, it's easy to make a change. Visit our website to request a demo and see everything that you and your team can accomplish with TransitionManager's ETL engine.